Hi, I'm Mike Gubby from iSeek Blinds. In this video today, I'm going to be talking about the Pelmet 95 system that we have here on the iSeek Blinds website. Now, the Pelmet 95 is available in three colours, which are anodized, white, or black. And you can see what it does is it transforms a outside mounted single roller blind in the back rolled position, exactly as you can see here. This is the sanctuary fabric with a white backing, and it transforms that look where you can see the tubes and the brackets, and it hides everything up into this look here, so everything is concealed. You can't see any of the back of the fabric. You can't see the brackets or chain drives or even the motor for that matter of fact. Now, the Pelmet 95 is very, very simple to install because the guys in the factory have actually done the hard work for you. And if I can show you just the inside of that Pelmet there, you can see that we've actually already got the brackets for the roller blind already fitted in both positions. And if this Pelmet was for a linked roller blind, then we would then have the intermediate bearing bracket fitted for you. So it takes a lot of the hard work away from fitting a roller blind, and of course you end up with a great result like that one there. Now, just before I fit this one back onto the brackets, you can see the Pelmet 95 has a roof. So that's going to stop all the dust from settling down there on the top of the roller blind. So if I just put this one back in position, you can see it's just a couple of spring-loaded brackets that I'm going to talk about in the how to install section. But it just clips back in position just like that, and that's exactly all lined up. Now, the lengths of the Pelmet 95 are 4.8 meters long. We can use them for single roller blinds, also for single linked roller blinds, where you can also get what we call a common Pelmet. So with the linked blinds, you can have one large Pelmet and you can have multiple blinds fitted underneath that Pelmet. As I said, it's suitable for motors and chains. I think it looks great, and I'll see you in the next set of videos. Thanks.